Finding a bikini trimmer that is comfortable, effective, and easy to use can make a huge difference in your grooming routine. After comparing a range of popular options, I narrowed it down to 5 standout choices that offer different strengths for different needs. From budget-friendly picks to premium all-rounders, here are the best bikini trimmers for women in 2026. Starting off the list at number 5 is the Icewless Bikini Shaver, a compact and surprisingly versatile grooming tool that delivers a lot more than its affordable price suggests. What immediately stands out is its lightweight, palm-sized design. It is small enough to fit into almost any cosmetic bag, making it a practical choice for travel, gym sessions, or quick touch-ups on the go. The biggest advantage here is flexibility. With 3 interchangeable trimming heads, the Icewless can handle everything from bikini maintenance to underarms, legs, facial hair, and even nose and ear hair. Switching between attachments is quick and straightforward, which makes the device feel more useful than a standard single-purpose trimmer. During use, the hypoallergenic stainless steel blades help reduce irritation, especially on sensitive areas. The floating double-ring rotary head follows the contours of the skin reasonably well, allowing for a close shave without feeling aggressive. While it does not provide the ultra-smooth finish of higher-end models, it remains comfortable and painless for everyday grooming. Battery life is another strong point. A full charge takes around 3 hours, and the runtime is impressive enough that most users will rarely worry about recharging. USB charging also adds convenience, especially when traveling. Its main limitation is that the motor is not as powerful as premium competitors, so very thick hair may require a few extra passes. Even so, for budget-conscious shoppers wanting a portable all-in-one grooming solution, the Icewless Bikini Shaver is a smart buy. Taking the 4th spot is the XMSJ Wet&Dry Used Bikini Shaver, a model that focuses on comfort and simplicity while still offering excellent versatility. What makes this trimmer stand out is its dual-head design, which approaches hair removal in 2 stages for a smoother overall result. The first blade is designed to tackle longer hairs around the bikini area and underarms, while the rotating shaving head handles shorter stubble afterward. In real-world use, this combination works surprisingly well. Rather than forcing one blade to do everything, each attachment has a specific job, resulting in cleaner and more consistent grooming. One feature I particularly appreciate is the waterproof construction. With an IPX7 rating, this trimmer can be used comfortably in the shower or bathtub, making grooming quicker and more convenient. Cleanup is equally easy because the detachable shaving head rinses clean under running water. For beginners, the included guide combs are a welcome addition. They help maintain a preferred hair length without getting too close to the skin, which reduces the chance of irritation or accidental over-trimming. The hypoallergenic blade design also performs well on sensitive skin and leaves very little redness behind. Charging is quick, taking only about 1.5 hours, and the USB compatibility makes it easy to power up almost anywhere. The only drawback is that it is more focused on shaving and trimming than full-body grooming. For women who primarily want a dependable bikini and body trimmer that performs well in wet or dry conditions, the XMSJ Wet&Dry Used Bikini Shaver is an excellent choice. At number 3, we have the 4-in-1 Beauty Kit, a practical grooming set designed for users who want multiple beauty tools without carrying several separate devices. This model combines 4 specialized attachments into one compact unit, making it particularly appealing for travel and everyday convenience. What I like most about this kit is how efficiently it covers different grooming needs. The T-shaped razor handles larger areas such as legs and underarms, while the eyebrow trimmer provides better precision for shaping and touch-ups. There is also a dedicated nose hair attachment and a root hair trimmer, giving the device broader functionality than many standard bikini trimmers. The lightweight construction makes it easy to handle, and it slips into a handbag or travel case without taking up much space. For frequent travelers, that convenience alone can be a major advantage. USB charging further adds flexibility since it can be powered from a computer, power bank, vehicle charger, or wall adapter. Performance is generally solid across the board. The attachments are effective for maintenance, grooming, and routine touch-ups, especially when used consistently. The washable head design is another benefit because cleaning takes very little effort. The trade-off is that none of the individual attachments are as specialized or powerful as dedicated standalone devices. Users with very thick or coarse hair may find some tasks take slightly longer. However, for anyone seeking a convenient all-in-one beauty tool that handles facial hair, eyebrows, bikini maintenance, and body grooming from a single device, the 4-in-1 beauty kit offers excellent value and versatility. Number 2. IRUIBEAUTY 227 7-in-1. The runner-up on this list is the IRUIBEAUTY 227 7-in-1, a feature-packed grooming system that goes far beyond basic trimming. This is the kind of device that feels more like a complete personal care station than a simple bikini trimmer. Its biggest strength is versatility. With 7 interchangeable attachments, it can trim, shave, exfoliate, massage, remove unwanted hair, smooth rough feet, and handle detailed facial grooming. Instead of purchasing several separate beauty tools, users can manage most grooming tasks with a single device. The epilator attachment deserves special attention because it removes hair from the root rather than simply trimming it. That means longer-lasting results compared to standard shaving. The 36 precision tweezers work efficiently, and the built-in LED light is genuinely helpful for spotting fine hairs that might otherwise be missed. Battery performance is impressive. A 90-minute runtime from a 1.5-hour charge is more than enough for multiple grooming sessions. The USB charging system and included charging base add extra convenience for both home use and travel. The washable design makes maintenance easy, although it is important not to fully immerse the device. Build quality feels sturdy, and the included 12-month warranty provides additional peace of mind. The only notable downside is that first-time epilator users may experience some discomfort until they get accustomed to the sensation. Aside from that, this is an exceptionally capable grooming kit. For women who want maximum functionality and long-term value, the IRUIBEAUTY 227 7-in-1 is a highly recommended investment. Claiming the number 1 position is the Philips shaver for women, and after extensive comparison, it stands out as the most refined and well-rounded option in this category. Philips has focused on comfort, efficiency, and skin protection, and the result is a grooming tool that feels genuinely premium in everyday use. The standout feature is the Pearl Gentle Lift Cutter system. Rather than simply cutting hair at the surface, it helps lift hairs before trimming and shaving them. This creates a noticeably smoother finish while reducing the chances of irritation, redness, or missed spots. The difference becomes especially apparent in sensitive areas where comfort matters most. The bidirectional shaving design also contributes to a faster grooming experience. Hair is captured efficiently from different directions, reducing the number of passes required. In practice, that means less time spent shaving and less friction against the skin. Its ergonomic handle deserves recognition as well. The shape feels natural in the hand and provides excellent control around curves and hard-to-reach areas. Whether grooming underarms, bikini lines, legs, or arms, the trimmer remains comfortable to maneuver. The IPX7 waterproof rating allows both wet and dry use, and cleaning is as simple as rinsing the head under water. Durability is another strength, thanks to rust-resistant materials that hold up well over time. Battery life is strong, portability is excellent, and the included trimming comb adds extra versatility. For women seeking the best balance of comfort, performance, reliability, and skin-friendly results, the Philips shaver for women is the clear winner and my top recommendation for 2026. That wraps up our picks for the best bikini trimmers for women in 2026. Each model brings something different to the table, whether you want portability, versatility, or premium performance. Which one would you choose? Share your thoughts below, and do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews.